I'm Steve, and today we're going to show you how you can use the Handwheel percentage to fine-tune your program feed rate and spindle speed. So I'll show you how to run your program with using the Handwheel so you can fine-tune your feed and speed percentages. So we're going to run tool number 20 here. So we're going to run, select tool number 20. And while tool number 20 is running, we have 35 inches per minute programmed for our feed rate. And sometimes your override of 5% might be too much or not enough. So to fine tune it, you can hit F3, Handwheel feed percentage. And now each click of your Handwheel is 1% on your feed rate override. So we can dial it up or down in 1% increments on your feed rate. When you want to save it, just push that button again. It's no longer green, so it's not active. Yet we stayed at that set percent. Now if you want to do the same with your spindle percentage, on your override you can turn it in 10% increments. Or if you want to use your Handwheel for 1% increments, hit F4. Now the F4 Handwheel spindle percentage button is green. And now each time I turn the Handwheel, the spindle override changes by 1%. It's a nice way to fine-tune your program, and a lot of times you can dampen out vibration and really get the most out of your tool.